Creativity in woodworking is a multifaceted concept that encompasses the ability to envision, design, and execute unique projects that blend functionality with artistic expression. In the realm of modern home decor, creativity in woodworking plays a vital role, transforming spaces and reflecting personal style. It is not merely about the technical skills involved in manipulating wood. Rather, it is about harnessing imagination, innovation, and craftsmanship to create pieces that enhance the beauty and functionality of living environments. At its core, creativity in woodworking involves the process of ideation, where an individual conceives new ideas or interpretations of existing concepts. This can manifest in various forms, such as unique designs, innovative uses of materials, or unconventional techniques. A creative woodworker draws inspiration from diverse sources, including nature, architecture, art, and even everyday experiences. This ability to draw from a wide range of influences allows for the development of distinctive pieces that resonate with both the maker and the intended audience. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wooden craft ideas for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the key aspects of creativity in woodworking is the integration of aesthetics and practicality. In modern home decor, there is often a strong emphasis on minimalist design, clean lines, and functional beauty. Creative woodworkers are adept at balancing these elements, ensuring that their creations not only serve a practical purpose, but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of space. This harmonious blend of form and function is crucial in contemporary interiors, where homeowners seek pieces that enhance their living environments without overwhelming them. The importance of creativity in woodworking extends beyond individual projects. It also plays a significant role in shaping trends within the home decor industry. As consumer preferences evolve, there is a growing demand for unique, handcrafted items that reflect personal stories and values. Mass-produced furniture often lacks the character and individuality that many modern homeowners desire. Creative woodworking fills this gap by offering bespoke solutions that cater to specific tastes and needs. This trend towards personalization and authenticity in home decor highlights the value of creativity in woodworking as a vital component of modern design. Moreover, creativity in woodworking allows artisans to experiment with various materials and techniques, pushing the boundaries of what is traditionally expected. Innovative approaches to woodworking can lead to the use of reclaimed wood, unconventional finishes, or mixed media, resulting in stunning pieces that stand out in any setting. By exploring new possibilities, woodworkers can create items that not only serve their intended purpose, but also spark conversation and inspire admiration. This spirit of innovation is essential for the continued evolution of home decor, as it encourages new ideas and challenges existing norms. In addition to aesthetic considerations, creativity in woodworking also plays a significant role in sustainability. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many woodworkers are turning to eco-friendly practices, such as sourcing sustainable materials and utilizing waste reduction techniques. Creative solutions can involve repurposing old furniture or using reclaimed wood, giving new life to materials that might otherwise be discarded. This approach not only reduces waste, but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle, aligning with the values of many modern consumers who seek to make environmentally conscious choices in their home decor. The emotional connection that creativity in woodworking fosters is another important aspect to consider. Handmade items often carry a sense of warmth and personality that mass-produced pieces simply cannot replicate. When individuals choose to invest in creative woodworking projects, they're often drawn to the stories behind the pieces, the craftsmanship, the inspiration, and the care that goes into each creation. This emotional resonance enhances the overall experience of home decor, turning a house into a home filled with meaningful objects that reflect the lives and experiences of those who inhabit it. Furthermore, creativity in woodworking can serve as a therapeutic outlet for many artisans. The act of creating with one's hands can be incredibly rewarding and fulfilling, allowing individuals to express their thoughts and emotions through their work. This creative process can provide a sense of accomplishment, boost self-esteem, and foster mindfulness. In a fast-paced world where technology often dominates, woodworking offers a tangible way to reconnect with one's creativity and find solace in the simplicity of crafting something beautiful. In the context of modern home decor, the influence of creativity in woodworking is evident in various aspects. Custom pieces, such as shelving units, tables, or decorative accents, can be tailored to fit specific spaces and reflect personal style. The thoughtful design of these items can enhance the overall flow and functionality of a room, making it more inviting and enjoyable to inhabit. Additionally, the incorporation of unique woodworking elements can serve as focal points within a space, drawing the eye and creating visual interest. As homeowners increasingly seek to differentiate their spaces, the role of creativity in woodworking becomes even more significant. In a market saturated with uniformity and mass production, creative woodworkers offer an alternative, a chance to own something truly one of a kind. This desire for individuality extends beyond aesthetics. It also speaks to a broader cultural shift towards valuing craftsmanship, authenticity, and personal expression in home decor. The relationship between creativity in woodworking and modern home decor is also reflected in the way spaces are designed and utilized. Open-concept living areas, for instance, often require creative solutions to define spaces and create a sense of cohesion. Woodworkers can contribute by designing custom furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as incorporating storage solutions into seating arrangements or creating room dividers that maintain an open feel while providing functionality. This adaptability is essential in contemporary living, where maximizing space and promoting versatility are key considerations. Moreover, creativity in woodworking has the potential to inspire collaboration among artisans, designers, and homeowners. As more individuals appreciate the value of handcrafted items, opportunities for partnerships arise. Designers may seek out woodworkers to bring their visions to life, resulting in innovative pieces that merge artistic concepts with skilled craftsmanship. This collaboration not only benefits the individuals involved, but also enriches the broader design community, fostering a culture of creativity and mutual support. Educational initiatives focused on woodworking and creativity can also play a pivotal role in modern society. Workshops, classes, and community programs that encourage individuals to explore woodworking can ignite a passion for crafting and inspire the next generation of artisans. By teaching essential skills and fostering an appreciation for the creative process, these initiatives can contribute to a resurgence of interest in handmade items and the value of craftsmanship. This educational aspect is crucial for preserving the art of woodworking while simultaneously promoting creativity in home decor. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wooden craft ideas for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions Likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.